actually moves a lot of air. Pretty far back, to be honest, and high. Does have damage to the blade, which sucks. So hopefully the new owner will be able to fix that. He's gonna 3D print blade tips and I'm gonna epoxy them on. Won't be great, but it'll be better than what it is. Probably supposed to run a little faster, but it was a nice breeze. It is off balance because one blade tip was broken, and I guess the other guy balanced it by cutting the other tips off when it would have been easier to mold the new tip, I guess. That's what I would have done. It looks kind of cool, but at the same time, not really. But it does extend. This is the high setting. I don't know why you'd want to use it up here. It's really top heavy, but you can if you could if you wanted. But you see the damage like I'm talking about. I think this was the one that was damaged and the others were cut, which is, I don't know, I guess you could balance it that way. But it is in wonderful condition. It just sucks it has damage, because if it didn't, it'd be a perfect fan. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.